Hello po, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome po sa ating free financial literacy class brought to us by our Community International Marketing Group or IMG in line with our financial literacy campaign. So, saan po ba natin kukunin yung mga ituturo natin yung na concept sa class na ito? Galing po sa libro na tinatawag na The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. So, don't worry kasi marami tayong matututunan sa class na ito and you need to thank the person who invited you kasi hindi po talaga masasayang yung oras natin sa pakikinig sa ating financial literacy class. But before we start, my name is Rose. I am your assigned financial educator for today's class and a little bit of background. Isa po akong associate financial planner. I've been part of this amazing community for 10 years already, running 11 years na po. So currently full-time financial educator, no, and I am leading more than 5,000 financial literacy advocates in my organization. And I was a former employee but now full-time na po dito sa IMG. And if you want to learn more about my social media pages and other platforms, you must scan the QR code na nakikita po natin sa ating screen po ngayon. So going back to our topic, no, launching the financial education movement, tinatawag ito na 30M 2030 or ibig sabihin po goal po ng aming community na maipalaganap ang edukasyong pinansyal to 30 million Filipinos. Target mo yan na matapos by year 2030. So as of now, we already reach 12.5 million Filipinos and the mere fact na nandito pa tayo ngayon nakikinig, makakount na po tayo, isa na po tayo sa mga Pinoy na naabot ng edukasyong pinansyal. And together with our campaign, na marami po tayo dito nagsusupport sa ating financial literacy campaign. Nakikita niyo po dito si Senator Raffy Tulfo. Hawak niya po yung librong ito kasi he believed na financial education is the solution sa mga problema sa pera ng bawat Pilipino. Kaya po nag-submit siya ng Senate bill on financial literacy. And of course, Corina Sanchez Rojas is also holding the book. Advocacy niya din ng financial education together with Boy Abunda, Brother Bo Sanchez. So sila po yung aming mga mentors and ambassadors dito sa aming community. And hopefully you will become part of our community. And as a token of gratitude sa pakikinig po sa ating class ngayon, meron po tayong tinatawag na campaign and protect. You will be receiving a free personal accident insurance worth 20,000. No? Ask the person who invited you to claim your freebie, no, your giveaway, no, after our discussion. So going forwards, no, bakit ba natin need ng financial education? Kasi po dahil po sa four challenges na ito, according to the book, a lot of Filipinos will face challenges in this major area. So number one, we have uncertain labor market. So ibig sabihin, wala pong kasiguruan yung paghahanap buhay ngayon, no? Pwede tayong mawalan ng trabaho or humina yung kita ng ating mga negosyo. Through our financial literacy classes, tinuturuan natin yung mga tao na magkaroon ng backup plan. And another thing that affects the labor market, yung technology, guys, no? So, minsan yung trabaho ng tao nare-replace na sa mga artificial intelligence, yung mga robots, yung mga softwares, yung mga apps. So, the demand for workforce decreases. Kaya kapag nawala ng trabaho yung isang Pilipino, no, walang ibang source of income. So, nahihirapan yung pamilya. That's part of our campaign. Another challenge na karaniwan na i-encounter ng mga Pinoy, low savings and high debt, no? Maraming Pilipino na walang ipon, malaki yung utang, nag-struggle financially. So we need to understand how it works and how to get out of debt and how to save big for our future. Another is high cost of education. Pag meron tayong pinapaaral na anak, ngayon mahal magpaaral, no? College tuition fee doubles every 5 to 8 years. Kaya kailangan, pero ito yung mga anak, paghandaan po natin yung kanilang fund for education, especially college education. And of course, increasing cost of living, na-feel naman natin lahat to, di ba, no? So, napakabilis na tumaas yung presyo ng mga bilihin, tapos yung sweldo, konti lang, kaya nahihirapan talaga tayong mag-cope up dahil sa inflation. So, through our financial literacy classes, turuan natin yung mga tao paano ba masolusyonan ang mga problemang ito kasi kapag hindi natin ito na-solve, masasali tayo sa statistics na ito, no? 80% of senior citizens walang sapat na retirement savings. Imagine 80%. So, we work hard all our lives tapos we retire poor. No, napaka sad naman na story nun. Kaya kailangan while hindi pa tayo nagre-retire, kailangan isolve na natin itong mga issues na ito. We need to upgrade our financial strategies para we can retire wealthy and comfortable. So, and of course, no, the main solution na ino-offer ng aming community is long-term solutions. Kasi sabi nga ng quote, if you give a man fish, you only feed him for a day. But if you teach a man how to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. Kasi yung kadalasan na mga solutions na binabigay ng gobyerno, short-term solutions lang. Like pagbibigay ng ayuda. Kaya yung mga tao, balik ng balik, no, hindi talaga umaasenso. Whereas, if we teach people how to fish, turuan natin sa paano mag-ipon, paano magnegosyo, paano maghanap buhay, paano mag-invest, they will not come back kasi they can stand on their own feet. No, we feed people for a lifetime, and the solution is only financial education. So for this class, we'll be giving three powerful financial concepts for free coming from this book. No, 10 years ago, I also sat down to a class like this, and talagang nagbago talaga yung buhay ko. No, marami talagang upgrades na nangyari with regards to our mindset, no, sa pag-desisyon tungkol sa pera, no. And of course, no, we will be sharing it to you sa class natin ngayon. So, the first concept na ituturo natin, itong tinatawag natin na X-curve, so nakikita natin sa screen, meron dalawang line na nag-cross. Yung green line going up is the money line, and the red line going down is the responsibility line. So, ano dapat yan, nagko-cross. So, in other words, if marami tayong naipon or marami tayong pera, konti lang yung ating responsibility. And that should happen as time go by. There's another line dito sa baba, timeline, young age up to old age, no? Like, kadalasan natin nagsa-start tayo ng work around mga 20 years old, tapos nagre-retire tayo around 60, you know? So, according to the book, as time go by, kailangan dumami yung ating pera. Nakapundar tayo ng wealth, nakabuild tayo ng financial foundation para bababa na yung responsibility. And kapag marami tayong ipon, pwede na tayong mag-retire. No, retirement has nothing to do with age. It has something to do with money saved. Kaya nga yung mga OFW, di ba, nag-iipon para mag-for good na sa Pinas, pwede na mag-retire. Yung seaman pwede nang tumigil sa pagbabarko kasi marami nang naipon. No? However, a lot of people, kahit matanda na, like mga 70 years old, kailangan pa din magtrabaho kasi walang naipon. So, hindi nag-cross yung kanilang X-curve. No? So, dapat, as time go by, tumaas yung pera, bumaba yung responsibility. But sad reality, kadalasan sa mga Pilipino, hindi nag-i-X yan. Ganun lang tumandang walang pera, kaya hindi makapag-retire, no, mahirap pa din. They retired, poor. Kaya sabi nga na, people don't plan to fail, they just fail to plan. So, this is a concept that we share to people as a wake-up call na kailangan tayo talaga meron tayong gawin to strive hard, to save and invest for our future. However, hindi naman natin um, napipredict yung future. No? There are only two what-ifs na pwedeng mangyari sa atin. Number one, what if we die too soon? No? Like, hindi pa tayo ready. Kasi if we die too soon, konti pa lang yung ipon natin, marami tayong responsibility, maliliit pa yung mga anak natin, nagsusupport pa tayo ng parents. So, hindi pa talaga tayong ready na kunin ni Lord. No? Kaya the solution, in case we die too soon, kasi hindi naman natin mapipigilan yan, if that's our destiny, there's a financial solution, tinatawag po ito na insurance kasi ito po yung magka-catch sa responsibility in case we die too soon. And in case we live too long, no, the solution also is, we need investment and long-term care. Kasi kapag matanda na tayo, hindi na tayo nag-work, marami na tayong expenses, palagi tayong nagkakasakit, kaya we should have multiple passive income streams na magpo-provide sa mga needs natin kasi hindi na natin kayang humanap ng active income. So we need to invest for our future and have long-term care para kapag nagkasakit tayo, meron tayong pampa-hospital, pambayad ng caregiver, hindi tayo magiging pabigat po sa pamilya po natin. So that's the essence of the X-curve concept. And our goal is to increase our money line, no, itong green line. And in order to do that, let's proceed to the next concept. We need to understand how money works. Kasi every time money moves, no, nag-i-involve po yan ng tinatawag na interest. So in Tagalog, tubo sa pera. So, and it will compound over long term. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng compounding? No, dumudoble, tumutubo, rumorolyo, nanganganak. So that's what we call compounding. And that's very, very powerful over long term. No, yung pagdoble ng pera, yung pag-compound. And to compute when money doubles, meron yung formula galing sa libro, tinatawag na Rule of 72, no? Etong formula na ito, pinasikat po ito na Albert Einstein. Sabi ni Einstein, 72 divided by interest rate, malalaman natin kung kailan dodoble yung pera natin. Again, 72 divided by interest rate equals number of years it will take for money to double. Kadalasan sa mga Pinoy, naglalagay ng pera sa bangko, which is 1% and below. So if we apply rule of 72, 72 divided by 1 equals 72. So if 1% yearly lang yung tubo ng pera sa savings natin, it will take 72 years, no? 72 divided by 1 equals 72. It will take 72 years for money to double. Napakatagal. Kaya kailangan we need to look for better vehicles to put in our money. Mabilis tumubo yung pera natin para magamit natin yung power of compounding on our favor. No? And we need to be careful as well kasi meron din naman double your money in months, no? In weeks, no? Scam din naman yon. So kadalasan sa mga legit na mga investment vehicles, nagdo-double talaga yung pera every, like yearly, on a yearly basis, annual basis. So like this example, 4%, so 72 divided by 4 equals 18, money doubles every 18 years. So at least hindi every 72 years kasi yung 1% every 72 years, right? So dito, 72 divided by 4 equals 18, money doubles every 18 years. For example, merong 20 years old, meron siyang 100,000, nalagay siya ng pera sa 4%, it doubles every 18 years. At age 38, yung pera niya naging 200,000. Another 18 years, nag-compound ulit yung pera niya. At age 56, yung pera niya naging 4,000. 56 years old is a new retirement age in the Philippines. So, he retires with 400,000 money. So, not bad, di ba? So, but what if meron pang 8%, no? 72 divided by 8 equals 9. So, money doubles every 9 years. If you notice, pareho lang sila ng edad, pareha lang din ng pera, but it doubles every 9 years kasi malaki yung kanyang interest. At age 56, 1.6 million, which is 4 times than 4%. And the highest and most sustainable so far, etong 12%, 72 divided by 12 equals 6, money doubles every 6 years. Meron age 20, meron siyang 100,000, it doubles every 6 years. At age 56, yung pera na naging 6.4 million. As you notice, they have same age, 20 years old, right? Same sila ng pera, starting money, 100,000. Pero same din sila nag-retire ng age, pero yung growth ng kanilang savings and investment, hindi pareha. Ito 16 times, 6.4 million. So, we really need to learn where to put our money to better investments institution. Kasi yung mga Pinoy kadalasan ng pera, naglalagay sa mga bangko, 1%. I'm not saying banks are bad, but when we talk about long term, doon natin ilalagay sa mga malalaki yung interest. So, saan ba itong mga 12%? Kasi kapag naglagay tayo ng pera sa mga bangko or any investment institutions, like for example, we put our money in the bank, no, meron silang tinatawag na time deposit, yung mga accounts na hindi natin pwedeng i-withdraw. Kasi, bakit po ba hindi natin pwedeng i-withdraw? Kasi naka-lock up yung pera. Kasi, pagtalikod ng depositor, yung pera natin sa bangko, inililipat dito. They reinvest our money to the 12% ng mga investment vehicle. Kasi dito sa mga 12%, mas mabilis mag-compound yung pera. So question, saan po ba tong mga 12% na ito? So if you heard about stock market and mutual fund investment, so we put our money to the top performing corporations in the Philippines. So for example, familiar ba kayo sa mga logos na ito like BDO, SM, Jollibee, no? Put our money in this blue chip companies, they call it, and then if they generate profit, no, they will give you share. That's why if you are an investor, tinatawag na shareholder or stockholder. So we put our money in this stock market, na tinatawag nila na stock market or blue chip companies. There are two ways in investing into the stock market. Number one, you can do direct trading or yung ikaw mismo yung mag-buy and sell ng mga shares of stocks. Pero it's not recommended for beginner kasi kailangan din tayo merong knowledge or kaalaman sa pag-i-invest kasi yung stock market fluctuating yun, no? Like minsan tumataas, minsan bumababa, kaya pwede din tayong malugi sa stock market. But don't you worry kasi merong second type of pag-i-invest sa mutual fund or sa stock market, indirect investing, tinatawag siya na mutual fund. So ano bang difference nito? Instead na tayo yung mag-buy and sell directly ng shares, meron tayong fund manager. So investor tayo, meron tayong fund manager. etong fund manager na ito, pawang professional po sila. So yan, sila yung nag-iisip, nag-analyze kung saan dapat na securities ilagay yung investment natin. At kapag nag-generate ng return, pass back to the investor. So sa Bisaya pa, dawat limpyo, no? So kasi merong someone na fund manager na expert na nagmamanage sa pera po natin. So this is where we can take advantage of this type of investment kasi itong mutual fund ang stock market, based on statistics, ang kanyang yearly returns on average is 8 to 12%. So instead of putting our money into the bank, let's try to invest into the mutual fund and stock market and gain a higher rate of return on our investment intended for long-term goals. So kami dito sa IMG, we're not really a mutual fund or a stock market company kasi ano lang namin kami, financial educators, community of financial educators. However, because of our advocacy, no, merong mga mutual fund company na nagpartner po sa atin na ginawang pangmasa or easier yung pag-i-invest. Kasi dati yung nakakapag-invest lang naman ay yung mga mayayaman kasi malaki yung starting capital, malaki yung starting opening or initial na investment. Tapos wala tayong access talaga sa pag-i-invest. And because of the IMG community, in partnership of the fund manager, tinatawag ng IMG Soldivo Fund, merong access yung mga member ng community and meron tayong sariling portfolio or account online. So this is an example of stock market portfolio. No, for example, nag-invest, no, nag-put in ang money, itong tao na to, itong member na to, nag-put in ang pera, yung itong net asset value nag-change siya no, na daily basis. No? For example, dito sa 0.60, no, if nag-invest siya ng 1,000 divided by 0.60 per share, yung kanyang NAV, net asset value, this person was able to purchase 1,641 shares, no? So, and then, of course, if nagmura yung shares, let's say nag-scale, naging 0.59, dito tayo mag-i-invest ng malaki kasi mura eh. Like, same with the fuel business. Kapag nagpapagasolina tayo, doon tayo nagpapa-full tank kapag mura yung price per liter kasi marami tayong nabibili. And etong shares accumulated, no? For example, after 5 years, itong 0.67 naging 2 pesos, then etong na-accumulate na shares, i-redeem natin, binibenta natin. So, meron tayong tubo sa investment natin. That's how it works. And the good thing about pag-i-invest dito sa mutual fund, if you become a member of IMG, you can invest for as low as 20 pesos only. No? Imagine that, no? Kahit ano pa yung background mo, kahit construction worker ka lang, pwede ka mag-invest sa stock market and mutual fund through the IMG membership platform. Now, if you want to learn more about this, become a member. We do have trainings and workshops about this, or you may ask the person who invited you or the person who sent you this video for more details. And of course, you can contact me as well on about how to get started investing no, into the mutual fund. So yan. And of course, learning about how money works, the main ultimate goal talaga, the ultimate concept na tinuturo ng IMG, itong tinatawag natin na solid financial foundation. This is the main concept na tinuturo natin. So, para tayong nagbe-build ng house, so from the ground and up. We must start from the ground and up. So, para siyang building block. No, like building a house, kailangan tayo magsimula sa ground floor, second floor, third floor. Hindi tayo pwedeng mag-shortcut sa itaas kasi hindi solid yung foundation kung gano'n. Hindi pwedeng mag-shortcut tayo sa rooftop, hindi tayo naglagay ng third floor at fourth floor. Kasi kapag merong lindol or bagyo, madaling mag-collapse yung tinayo natin na bahay. No? So, the proper way to build a financial foundation is eto. No? We need to increase our cash flow, of course. No? Kasi how can we build a financial foundation if yung income natin kulang pa sa needs natin? We need to have multiple sources of income. And then next is we need to have healthcare, no? Then life insurance, eliminate debts, emergency fund before we invest. However, people, because Filipinos are not so financially educated, we make a mistake into building our financial foundation. Kadalasan sa mga Pinoy, kapag nag-increase yung cash flow, ano yung next na gagawin? Mag-shortcut, mag-invest agad, bibili ng lupa, magpapatayo ng bahay, magbubukas ng negosyo. There's nothing wrong with investing. Pero have you heard of a property na nasanla or nabenta? And the main reasons why kung bakit nabibenta yung mga investments or nawawala, because merong emergency. So therefore, before we invest, kailangan meron yung support, tinatawag na emergency funds. Etong emergency funds, based on our book, is 3 to 6 months of your monthly income, it should be saved in the bank. No, like I'm not saying banks are bad. No, like don't put your long-term investment in the bank kasi konti lang yung interest, but you can still make use of the bank for emergency fund kasi accessible siya wherein you can access anytime. So therefore, if merong emergency, hindi mo mabibenta yung investments mo kasi doon ka kukuha sa emergency fund. And of course, it's not enough having emergency fund and investments. Kung meron tayong utang, kailangan tayong bayaran yun kasi yung utang merong interest. So it's like debts are like leaks that drains our finances. So, hindi talaga mapupuno, hindi mauusad yung wealth building natin kung meron tayong utang na binabayaran. And of course, no, merong mga ibang family na walang utang, merong emergency fund, merong investments, pero kapag kinuha ni Lord yung breadwinner ng family, na guguho pa din yung na-build sa itaas. Kaya therefore, if kung sino yung breadwinner ng family, dapat protected yung kanyang income. Kasi kapag nag-stop yung income, kahit walang utang, magkakautang ulit. And the best way to protect the income is through life insurance. So, kailangan meron tayong sufficient amount of life insurance. And of course, before that, no, kailangan meron din tayong healthcare or hospitalization. No, life insurance is kapag kinuha ni Lord or namatay. Healthcare is hospitalization. And according to our training, the number one cause of personal bankruptcy is kapag merong nagkasakit sa family, walang pangbayad sa hospital, pwedeng maubos lahat ng mga ipon or mga properties na napundar pambayad sa hospital. So yung financial foundation, posibleng gumuho kapag merong building block na nakalimutan. So kaya to do it right, again, let's do the recap. Increase cash flow. That's number one. Second, look for a sufficient healthcare. Kasi hindi natin talaga alam kapag nagkasakit tayo, no problema. Next is have sufficient enough life insurance coverage in case we die too soon. Eliminate our debts, no? Have emergency fund before we invest. Kasi that way, no, nasusolve natin yung financial foundation, matibay siya na whatever challenges or financial setback na dumating sa pamilya po natin, magwi-withstand talaga yung ating financial wealth. And hindi tayo, anong tawag mo ito? Hindi tayo mag-uulit from scratch kasi we cannot bring back time, di ba? So kaya kailangan, we need to do it right, do it strong. So I hope you learned a lot from this. So if you become a member of our community, marami kaming training ng mga different topics about this. So, we encourage you to become a member. And of course, no, kami dito sa IMG, we don't have a product. We're not an investment company. We're not an insurance company, nor a healthcare company. But yung IMG is a community siya of financial educators na nag-share ng information sa inyo. And of course, if sa mga nakinig sa aming financial class ang gusto nila na i-apply yung mga natutunan nila, so hindi naman pwedeng seminarista lang tayo, no? Panay seminar lang. We do recommend a certain partner company, no? Marami kaming partner company dito sa IMG. So if you notice, ito yung mga partners namin in the mission. Nakikita natin, align siya sa financial foundation, healthcare, we have life insurance, even mga investment, yung mga non-life insurance, so yung mga insurance sa mga properties, ng mga kotse, ng mga bahay, real estate. We do partner with Ayala, Ramver Realty, SM Development Corp. No, we do have big partners. No, if you notice, itong mga partner ni IMG, hindi ito basta-basta. They are top performing in the industry. And of course, no, we have a lot of partners kasi sa mga taong gusto mag-build ng financial foundation, since wala tayong product dito sa IMG, i-refer natin sa mga partners natin. So, ito yung mga partners. And we cannot discuss all of them in this class. We will just pick one partner na parang ito yung talaga yung main na partner kasi if you follow the Financial Foundation Healthcare is the next one that we need to start. So we will be sharing to you one partner, tinatawag to na Kaiser, no? Kaiser International Health Group, our partner in healthcare. So marami pong klaseng healthcare. We do have long-term, short-term, senior care. So the best value of money, Kaiser is itong long-term care kasi it covers the three major financial needs. So isa lang na plan or savings plan yung kukunan natin. We hit three birds at one stone. No? Covered yung healthcare insurance investment. Kasi itong si Kaiser, it covers hospitalization even beyond age 60. So, lifetime healthcare. Kasi Etong mga short-term healthcare, the difference between short-term and long-term, yung mga short-term healthcare, para siyang disposable healthcare, di ba? Like for example, nag-save tayo for this year, kapag hindi tayo nagkasakit, TY na yung binayad natin, bayad na naman tayo ulit next year. So wala siyang money back. So para siyang disposable healthcare. Short-term healthcare is good, but if you want better value of money, long-term is a better healthcare kasi it covers hospitalization even beyond age 60. So nag-save tayo ngayon tapos hindi natin nagamit, don't worry kasi yung na-save natin na tumutubo siya, no? Hindi siya disposable. So, ini-invest siya, tumutubo over long term. Kaya naka-cover niya even beyond age 60. Kahit 100 years old, 80 anyos tayo, as long as meron pang fund yung ating healthcare, covered pa din tayo. Kasi sa mga short term po kasi, if na-hit na, umabot na tayo sa 60 years old, posibleng hindi na tayo ma-renew. Especially if we do have a lot of pre-existing conditions, pwede ka nang i-deny ng short-term healthcare. Dito sa long-term, covers hospitalization even beyond age 60. And the short-term healthcare as well, no, healthcare lang yung coverage kapag nakasakit. No, what if namatay? Walang coverage. Whereas dito sa Kaiser long-term, etong example natin, hindi lang siya healthcare kasi meron din siyang life insurance. So in kaso kunin tayo ni Lord, meron pa ding matatanggap yung family kahit hindi dumaan sa hospital. And of course, the best part, as what I've said, is kapag hindi nagamit yung pera, hindi siya disposable. Meron siyang money back feature kasi yung pera natin, nilalagay siya sa mga mutual fund company, ini-invest siya sa stock market, wherein pre-computed return niya 10% per year, no, higher than the banks. Kapag hindi natin nagamit kasi healthy tayo, hindi tayo kinuha ni Lord, hindi tayo nagkasakit, praise the Lord, alleluia, kasi yung pera natin tumutubo and we can get all our money back during the maturity of our plan, which is a better option. No? We're covered ka pa ng insurance, meron ka pang hospitalization, meron ka pang investment na tumutubo. So, ito talaga yung best starting na recommended na savings plan na dapat simula ng bawat Pilipino. So, ano po ba design ng Kaiser Healthcare? This is an example of a Kaiser Sample All-in-One Savings Program. So Kaiser is 7 years lamang po yung saving period. If he already paid up or 1 year, active na yung kanyang hospitalization in case na magkasakit po tayo. And of course, if hindi naman tayo nagkasakit, meron siyang mga benefit pa din, like yung annual check-up, dental benefit. No, and of course, yung coverage na magkano ba yung limit ng hospitalization, depende sa plan na kukunin. Kasi meron naman pong plan na medyo more expensive, merong plan na medyo cheaper lang. So, later, ipapakita natin kung ano yung mga plan options. So, for this example, K100 plan po ito. Ito yung standard na plan. Etong person na ito, 22 years old, example po, 58,000 yearly yung kanyang premium, yung kanyang savings per year. So, 58,000 times 7 years, total in 7 years, this person was able to save 411,000. Example naman din kapag, for example, 2 years pa siya nagsisave, tapos kinuha ni Lord, don't worry kasi walang matatapon na pera kasi ang Kaiser policy, in case the plan holder pass away, matatransfer po siya sa beneficiary. So, yung beneficiary yung magmamana ng plan, and if ever meron pang mga years na hindi nabayaran, hindi na niya ipabayaran lahat kasi fully paid na yon. Kasi meron siyang waiver of installment due to death and disability. And on top of the transfer of the policy and the yung pag fully paid ng plan, meron pa ding matatanggap yung beneficiary na cash. Kasi meron siyang insurance, di ba? And with regards to how much, depende po siya sa plan na kukunin po natin. So that's the healthcare and the insurance side. And then if we're able to fully pay our plan, no, 7 years na tapos na, praise the Lord, alleluia, hindi ka na magbabayad kasi fully paid na. But this time, yung ating investment, nilalagay na siya sa mutual fund, tumutubo na siya, no, sa stock market. So 7 years, saving period, minimum patutubuin, growing period, 13 years, 20 years in total maturity. So for this example, 400,000 lamang po yung kanyang naipon in 7 years, pero nung nag-mature yung kanyang plan after 20 years, naging 1.1 million. Almost 3 times po yun. And of course, during maturity, meron tayong settlement option. Either kunin natin lahat or ipagpatuloy. No? For example, 42 years old pa siya na mature yung plan, hindi niya kinuha kasi hindi pa naman siya retired during this time. So, pinagpatuloy niya at age 65, naging 10.4 million. Imagine, guys, no? So, yung compounding interest ba, no? So, you retired with 10.4 million healthcare or retirement fund. So kapag may isinuksok, meron talagang madurukot. Kaya we encourage you to get started kasi sayang yung time ba na hindi tayo nakapag-start ng ating healthcare. And of course, no, ito sa sample chart na ito, itong K100 is the recommended plan kasi ito po yung nagmamature ng 1.1 million pesos. And of course, how much po ito? So if you pay in monthly 5,000 plus, mas maganda if annual kasi meron tayong 2 months discount. 10 months ang yung babayaran po natin. And of course, para sa atin, ano lang to, medyo mabigat. Meron bang cheaper options? We have 4,000, 3,000, 2,000, depende din sa age. And of course, the ratio and proportion, the higher the plan, the higher din yung maturity at yung mga coverage sa kanyang insurance, sa annual benefit limit. So kaya po si Daniel Padilla yung ating ambassador kasi yung tagline ng Kaiser, nasayo na ang lahat. Kasi eto yung savings na walang tapon. Kasi in case magkasakit, you do have your hospitalization coverage. In case kinuha ni Lord, no, mamamana ng beneficiary, makakatanggap ng cash yung beneficiary, mafu-fully paid yung plan. And in case naman mahaba yung buhay pa natin, masamang damo, matagal mamatay, just kidding, no? Praise the Lord, hallelujah, kasi sa pagtanda natin, meron tayong malaking fund na tumubo na healthcare and retirement fund. So imagine that, guys, no? So I encourage you to get started kasi kapag hindi natin tayo nag-decide dito na maubos na yung pera natin sa milk tea, sa mga walang kwentang bagay, so might as well collect your financial portfolio, no? Kaiser is a good start, no? If you want, kasi all-in-one plan na po siya. And of course, if you fully pay your plan, you can receive a certificate of full payment. So I'm proud to say that I already fully paid my first plan. So ngayon po, ongoing na po ako sa aking second plan. Kaya guys, no, huwag kayong matakot magsimula kasi once upon a time, no, I was also hesitant to get started kasi paano kapag hindi ko natapos. And also, meron mong paraan para matulungan tayo na matapos po yung ating mga savings, no, dito sa ating IMG community. So that's Kaiser, no, the main application of the Solid Financial Foundation. Kasi isang plan lang yung kinukuha natin, covered niya yung 3 major financial needs: healthcare, insurance, and investment. So that's about Kaiser, and that's our main partner. Now, going back to IMG, no, we encourage you also to become a member of IMG kasi dito sa IMG, no, napaka-importante talaga yung influence ng isang community kasi through this platform na bago talaga yung mindset ko. And to become a member, no, we only need to get started with 6,000 pesos na membership. One time lang po yan. Lifetime membership. And maraming benefits to highlighting dito sa 6,000, automatic na po tayong investor. Meron tayong agad yung portfolio sa mutual fund. 1,000 out of this 6,000 will be our initial investment na pwede nating dagdagan ng 20 pesos anytime. And of course, cover tayong 100,000 life and accident insurance. And sa membership natin sa IMG, 6,000 lamang. Covered tayo ng 50K memorial funds. Hindi na kailangan kumuha ng memorial plan na mahal kasi by becoming a member of IMG, included na po siya sa ating benefit. Now, by the way, we don't earn anything out of recruiting people kasi hindi naman po tayo networking company. So that's for your own good. But if you want to earn through the entrepreneurship side of IMG, might as well become an associate member. So dito sa associate member, you join IMG, tapos kumuha ka ng Kaiser, mag-save ka para sa sarili mo. And once meron ka ng sariling Kaiser, Kaiser will allow you to distribute their product. So in other words, kapag IMG member ka, tapos meron kang Kaiser, tapos meron kang friend na kumuha ng Kaiser sa'yo, bibigyan ka ni Kaiser ng referral commission. That way you will earn. Not from the recruitment, but referral to our partner company. And automatic sa pagiging associate member po natin, meron tayong maraming benefit. So again, yung automatic investor tayo, meron tayong accident insurance, 100,000 to 300,000. Yung memorial benefit na 50,000, automatic din po yun by becoming a member of IMG. And if you are an OFW as well, you can become an international member na worldwide protection, accidental death, half million. Mas malaki yung coverage natin, itong mga acts of terrorism. And of course, the international membership is a little bit higher than the local membership kasi mas malaki yung kanilang coverage, no? As a person who invited you kasi kapag nasa ibang bansa tayo, iba't iba yung rates depending on countries. And of course, the best part of the international members exclusive benefit is etong repatriation. Example, meron nangyari sa OFW sa ibang bansa, yung pagpapadala ng kanyang labi dito sa Pinas. That's what we call repatriation service. So, included po siya. And then, so many benefits, no? um, Free consultation, free eyeglasses, vision care, free legal assistance, and you can also give away campaign and protect yung free 20,000 pesos na accident insurance. Example, member ka na, pero pwede nga mamigay ng libreng insurance sa mga kaibigan mo na makikinig sa ating campaign. And of course, free ebook na itong mga financial video workshops, no? Para ka naling nag-aral dito sa IMG, no? Like, for example, parang nag-enroll ng isang financial school. Meron tayong free workshops and you know what, guys? Kapag mag-aral tayo ng financial literacy, 6,000 is not really enough. But if you become a member of the community, automatic ka nang makapag-access sa lahat ng mga training materials inside IMG, including our access to our partner company, no? So, mga investment seminars, kapag nag-invest na ng mutual fund, wala tayong entry fee. So, actually, these are almost mga 60 plus benefit ito, no? Partner natin ang Palawan sa bills payment facility, concierge service, Everest Memorial. So, meron tayong marketplace wherein you can list down your properties and see other properties also na you can access and as benefit natin sa member, yung sa non-life insurance, yung mga insurance sa mga kotse, ganun. So, same with real estate, bibili tayo ng kotse, meron tayong discount. So, actually, I won't discuss this in detail. You may ask the person who invited you. Parang run through lang naman po ito. And of course, if you want to do the business dito sa IMG, you can become a financial educator like us. No, you just share the mission, and then on your time, you can do it part-time. No, you don't have to resign from your job, di ba? So, and of course, it can help a lot of families. And meron tayong maraming rewards din. No, if marami tayong natulungan ng mga tao, meron tayong mga travel incentives din. So, for this year, we've been to Bangkok and to Vietnam for free, no? Kasi reward siya sa mga taong napasave po natin. Kasi financial educator tayo, meron tayong na-share ng concept, tapos nagustuhan nila, no, na-convince sila na mag-save, bibigyan tayo ng mga rewards incentives. So, iba-iba po yan. So, merong mga pins, mga watch, no? Etong rings, depende po yan sa income. Bibigyan tayo ng free healthcare kapag marami tayong mga taong na pa-sign up sa Kaiser, bibigyan tayo ni Kaiser ng free healthcare na kapag nagkasakit tayo, wala hindi tayo problema kasi we do have our free healthcare. And of course, inclusive din sa ating membership, meron tayong agad na mga yung ating online portfolio, yung mga portal, yung Eurocash wallet, parang GCash siya inside IMG, mga tools, marketing tools, and so on. So we do have separate trainings about this. So, and again, we encourage you to become a member kasi you can get this 66 benefits, no, dito sa IMG. So, to give you more details about this, talk to the person who invited you. Alright? So, and of course, ito yung income potential. No? If you become an associate member, starting na ibibigay ni Kaiser sa atin is 20%. For example, meron kang na-close na K100 plan monthly. Magkano yung Kaiser? 5,882. So, you do get 20%. So Kaiser will give you a referral incentive of 1,176.40. Yan po yung monthly na commission nyo po kapag meron kayong napasave. Now, how much more if annual, no? So, K100 plan annual 58,000 times 20%, you get 11,700 na referral commission. How much more if you get promoted to MD, Marketing Director, i-increase pa yung ating income potential. So, 37%. And of course, 47% for senior marketing director. Saan po ba kukunin yung percentage na ito? So, depende sa plan na kukunin ng ating mga natulungang mga tao, no? So, for example, eto, no, like, what if sa mga taong natulungan natin, kumuha sila ng malaking plan or malaking savings premium, nakatulong pa tayo sa kanila kasi kapag na-hospital sila, no, hindi na sila problema, kapag nag-retire sila, meron silang retirement money, and we earn a little bit of blessing din naman, no, as a reward sa pagtulong po natin. And of course, the more people we help, the more blessings we can receive. So that's why we encourage you to become an associate member. And of course, hindi lang Kaiser, kasi as you notice here, Kaiser is just one piece of the puzzle. You can also refer your friends to life insurance partners, to non-life. Marami kang kaibigan na merong kotse, nare-renew yung kanilang car insurance every year. Now, we can also get referral commissions from this. And as a member, we can get discounts for personal use. And we can also refer to our friends wherein we can earn referral commissions. Same with investments. Real estate, no, yung mga units, mga condominiums, and of course, allied financial services. Look, guys, no, if you really have the heart in sharing the mission, you can become a financial educator, do the business, the entrepreneurship side. Kasi yung maganda dito sa IMG, you just need to really have the heart to help people. Kasi once you close accounts, wala kang puhunan. No? Hindi ka naman nagpo-purchase o nagkumpra ng mga products and services, hindi ka nagtitinda ng sabon, ng kape, or whatever. You just share, convince people the importance of savings, and then if you are able to enlighten people na intindihan nila yung solid financial foundation, they save money for their future, you get rewarded, no? And then you can do this business as well. Kasi dati I'm just doing this part-time. Actually, I joined IMG for personal use only because I love Kaiser, no? And for me, that's a good savings program. So I joined for Kaiser only for myself. But then over the years, I understand the the yung nobility ng mission ba, no? I fell in love with the mission. So, I started sharing until one day, I woke up one day na yung aking income, lumalagpas na siya sa aking sweldo. That's why I fired my boss and decided to do this career full time. So, now, I'm already running 11 years in this mission and counting. So, we need more missionaries because this is what the world needs. Ang dami pang tao na walang ipon, ang dami pang tao na hindi alam kung paano mag-ipon ng tama. So you can be an instrument of change by becoming a financial educator here in IMG. So to get started, no, we call it Total Financial Solution. What are the solutions that we are offering? Education. No, hindi pa kayo member, nakinig lang kayo sa class na ito, marami na kayong natutunan. How much more if you become a member of IMG? And of course, being able to hear all the concepts without application is useless. So you need to apply what you've learned. We do also have the platforms to apply. You save Kaiser, you become a member, you save mutual fund, and any other platform. And if you kulang tayo ng income, no, meron din tayong solution, entrepreneurship. Just do this IMG mission part-time. You can also earn through referrals, and then of course mission, no? Kasi no, this is what the world needs. So I go to different places, talk to people, let them understand about savings, and then change people's lives. And hindi mo nababayaran ng pera yung feeling na yun. Kaya go out there, no, and help a lot of people, no, give the solution to them, no. So, yung mga taong gastador, kailangan nating turuan paano mag-ipon, kahit, financial education should be available to all, regardless of background. Kasi dati, yung pag-iipon, pag-i-invest, parang pangmayaman lang siya, but even the ordinary citizens have also the right to change their lives. And of course, if you want to get started, how to get started, just fill up a form as the person who invited you. And you can pay through our payment channels via cash, cash, online bank transfer, yung mga online banking na yan, over the counter, credit card, video bills, payment Palawan. You can also deposit directly to IMG's banks, no? Etong mga bank account, marami tayong bank accounts dito. And actually you can start right away after this talk. Just ask the person who invited you kung papaano po. Alright? So, and of course, before we close this talk, sharing my journey dito sa IMG, 10 awesome years in the IMG mission. I'm not saying mayaman na ako, wala pa, malayo pa sa katotohanan, pero at least life is better that I'm here with IMG. And because of my investments of the IMG business, we're able to build a house, no? We're able to get promoted, build a community with thousands of members, have our own office. So dito sa Bohol, I was able to travel for free, and the best travel that IMG has given me is the London travel, no, with my husband. And of course, we earn income sufficient enough for our needs, no, and of course, the best part that IMG gave me is a time freedom. No, I resigned from my job here in IMG. I'm my own boss. No, I don't have to um do the report to the office because I have a boss to impress. No, so I make use of my time, and I'm free to run the business at my own time, at my own pace. And time freedom is something that money cannot buy. So might as well this to be your exit plan. If you hate your job, you want a different career, I am just for you. For an OFW and you want a different career, no? So pag uwi sa Pilipinas, naghahanap ka ng negosyo, this could also be a good business as well. So that's it. And thank you so much for listening. I'll close my talk with this quote: financial education is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. It's in the back of the book. And this is me, Rose, and my husband, Kenneth Sardido, Associate Financial Planner. I hope marami kayong natutunan sa ating video. And if you want to learn more, you want to contact me, just call me on my mobile, my email, no, on my Facebook, or visit our office. I'll be willing to assist you as well. Thank you so much for listening. Share this video to a friend and be a blessing to the world. Thank you so much, and God bless everyone.